Hi everyone, welcome to the demo showcasing the powerful integration of IBM DevOps Automation with SCC Workload Protection. Together, we bring true DevSecOps into action where security becomes an integral part of every stage in the delivery pipeline. Let's start with understanding the synergy. On the left, we have DevOps Automation with its strong capabilities like security gates, automated testing, and seamless release orchestration. On the right side, we have SCC Workload Protection that adds its strengths in policy compliance, vulnerability scanning, and runtime security. Now, moving into the demo, IBM DevOps Automation offers a complete set of capabilities like plan, control, deploy, test, measure, and release. To keep the demo focused, we will dive directly into DevOps Deploy. And here we see the DevOps Deploy dashboard where we get delivery insights which highlight successful and failed deployments. Clicking into our application, we see the staging environment. It's highly configured with security gates which dynamically adjust based on security and compliance test results. If you open the component name Docker app and head into Process Designer, this visual flow shows how the deployment works. We pull a Docker image, and then we follow a structured process that includes security and compliance testing. Based on results, we set the status for our security gates. Here's where SCC Workload Protection plugin comes in. We can easily configure tasks using familiar interface. I'm showing you an example where image scanning and policy scanning are embedded right into the process. This makes it simple to incorporate checks without breaking the deployment flow. Beyond static, we also have the runtime security scanning that ensures that applications are continuously monitored even after deployment. And this helps close the DevOps feedback loop that helps maintain security post-deployment. So the process is intelligent. If SCCWP test passes, we proceed to deploy the Docker container. If they fail, we halt further steps and mark the deployment with failed status. This helps prevent progressing low-quality code and from ever being released. Now back to the application, I initiate the deployment to the QA environment. In the real scenarios, this can be fully automated. I select the Build Docker Image version 10 and start the deployment process. As the deployment begins, we are provided with detailed execution logs, helping teams monitor progress in real time. Now the security and compliance tests are being run, and it's passed. Let's open the log. Here you can see comprehensive details such as number of vulnerabilities, severity levels, and policy postures. And based on the predefined rules, the plugin determines whether the process passes or fails. Since deployment has succeeded, runtime security scanning has been triggered, and that automatically initiates the continuous security and vulnerability checks for the running containers. Here's the log that shows that the agent has been running now. Heading back to our component, you can see the status update, which says security and compliance tests passed. In Dipping Diver, it now includes link to dashboards that provides further analysis and enhances visibility into our application security postures. I just clicked one link and this shows the dashboard. You can see all the images scanned and many initiated from DevOps Deploy. You can observe vulnerability count, policy details, remediation suggestions, and auto-prioritized issues. It covers both OS level and application level scan for full coverage. It provides a great detail on all vulnerabilities and policies. Now we can explore the runtime security. So I click the other one. This gives real-time insights into the container's behavior, identifying anomalies and helping clients maintain the healthy and secure runtime. You can see here the number of vulnerabilities, the prioritized vulnerabilities, and many more details here. So in a nutshell, by embedding security and compliance checks directly within DevOps pipeline, businesses can accelerate software delivery while ensuring robust security posture and regulatory compliance.